Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So we've been decoding Mamwich to Manwich, and we've got our extractions. We got those extractions to run through the stock market, genetics, medical, and now we're on chemical. So try to get through this fairly quickly. Before you can figure out what actually changed, you first must figure out what didn't change. So Mamwich to Manwich, you got MA and MA. So you can eliminate both the M and the A there. And you have WICH and WICH. This one's pretty easy. WICH. And eliminate that off the other side, and you're left with MN. So an M changed to an N, and you bring MN down, and that's all we're working with. That's it. So we're in chemical now, and we start with MN, which ends up being big surprise. Department of Chemical Engineering and Materials Science at the University of Minnesota. And again, they could calculate, in theory, absolutely anything or anyone in Minnesota. So it's no real surprise. But there's a few other. You've also got magnesium on the periodic table of elements is Mn. We'll just pop in here real quick. Magnesium on the periodic table of elements. Let's blow this up a little bit. Whoop. So it's a hard, brittle, silvery metal. Magnesium is too brittle to be of much use as a pure metal. It's mainly used in alloys such as steel. Steel contains about 1% magnesium to increase the strength and also improve workability and resistance to wear. Magnesium steel contains about 13% magnesium. This is extremely strong and is used for railway tracks, safes, rifle barrels, and prison bars. Drinks can be made of an alloy of aluminium with 1.5% magnesium to improve resistance to corrosion. Drinks with aluminium, antimony, and copper, it forms highly magnetic alloys. Yes, and we will be uploading a BitChute video, hopefully today, maybe later, maybe tomorrow or the next day, dealing with this right here. Not a video I want to do. We'll talk about it later. Manganese oxide IV oxide is used as a catalyst, a rubber additive, and to decolorize glass that is colored green by iron impurities. Magnesium sulfate is used to make a fungicide. Manganese 2 oxide is a powerful oxidizing agent and is used in quantitative analysis. It is also used to make fertilizers and ceramics. So you got a few things there with magnesium. All right. You've also got chemicals and products interagency team, Minnesota.gov, renewable chemical production incentive program, and that's in Minnesota. So a lot of things going on with Minnesota there. Not a big shock. And we'll go back here. Magnesium. I guess I was wrong. It's magnesium. Excuse me. I thought it was magnesium, but it's magnesium. MN Chemical also. MN Chemical, Georgia LLC, produces natural manganese dioxide. So, manganese again, Department of Chemical Engineering and Materials, the University of Minnesota. We just saw that. So, got a few things going on there with MN, but we're going to move on to M. And M, how about M Chemical Company Incorporated? So, it's been a supplier of catalysts, absorbents, gas odorants, and chemicals to the global oil and gas industry since 1966. So you got M Chemical Company Incorporated, Mitsubishi Chemical Incorporated. So a couple of things going on there. I swore there was something over here I wanted to show, but I could be thinking of N or maybe even NM coming back. Monodisperse MFE204. Nanoparticles. Oh, good times. So you got Smith School of Chemical Engineering. Looks like Cornell.edu. So there's another university they could hit. Just all sorts of stuff. But we're going to move on to N, which ends up being nitrogen on the periodic table of elements. And that's Britannica. Nitrogen. Yeah, I know it'll be on there. Here we go. Nitrogen on the periodic table of elements. A colorless, odorless gas is nitrogen. And it does have a biological role. I'm not going to get into all this. I think we all pretty much know what nitrogen is. But there it is. And that gets you through going forward. Now coming back, you have NM. And big surprise, University of New Mexico, Department of Chemistry and Chemical Biology. Never know what I think of that. Well, maybe I do. I don't like it. You've also got chemical manufacturers and suppliers in New Mexico. You've also got Department of Chemistry, New Mexico Tech. So you got a few things there. I thought there was Rheinchem, Chemical Management Services. So Hazmat Transport, and Climax Chemical Company, nmenv.imp.bd. So that looks like actually a court case. You got chemical engineer jobs, chemical materials engineering, chemical peel in Albuquerque, New Mexico. So you got a host of things here, and that actually gets you through going forwards and backwards in the chemical category. So you got kind of the University of New Mexico and the University of Minnesota running neck and neck here. I'm really not sure. We're going to keep going with these categories and see if one emerges as a top suspect. But I kind of got my eye on those two right now. So that's going to be it for this video. Now, I am going to do another video. I'm going to load it to BitChute, and then I'm going to put a video here, and tentatively, I might put a link to the actual video, or I might put a link to my BitChute channel and just show you which video it is, because I really don't want to I really don't want to ruffle any feathers here um, on YouTube with this platform. So, but I have an important video. I think it needs to be made, and we're going to make it, and we're going to put it on BitChute, and you're going to have to go there to see it. And I think everyone needs to see it. So that's going to be it for this one. So for now, guys, thanks for your thumbs up, thumbs down when appropriate. Thanks for all your comments, leads, feedback, and subscriptions. And thanks for watching, guys. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your day.